After a breakup, it's normal to want to insult your ex, but it's more satisfying to imagine it than to actually do it. If you feel the need to say something, consider telling him off with phrases like, "I hear you talking, but I'm not listening," or "I wish we broke up sooner." Remember, focusing on his negative qualities can help you move on faster. Spend time with friends who remind you how awesome you are, and avoid checking his social media to prevent feeling bad. Express your emotions by talking to a trusted friend or writing in a journal. If you feel it will help, confront your ex with I statements to express your feelings. Avoid talking about him to others unless you're venting to a trusted friend. Dress to impress and have fun with your friends to show your ex what he's missing and boost your confidence. Remember, it's okay to feel intense emotions after a breakup, but they are temporary. Focus on activities that relax you and help you feel better. And remember to take the high road in handling the breakup.